So today, Alan is coming over. We're gonna mix it up in the kitchen, beat some meat. That sounded really weird. He's gonna be beating the meat. Never mind. Oh, and he got a new haircut, which apparently his girlfriend likes a lot. I'm sure I'll love it.
Ready for chicken milanese?
I'm ready, bub.
Don't play with knives, man. That's how people get hurt. Alright, I need the salt. Salt is up here.
Here it comes. High tight.
Egg.
Alright.
Poultry seasoning.
Another egg. Oh!
Nice one, Tom Cruise.
Alright, chicken. Oh! Alright, coming back at you. Oh! It is always way more fun cooking with a friend. Just don't get carried away, or you may get salmonella of the face.